Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing media on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now we are on the Help Center article of WhatsApp that will show us exactly how we can use the View Once option or feature or the disappearing media feature. So simply it will be the same for Android and iOS. So whenever you are going to start sending a media, you will have this attach icon. So you can click on the tab or the attach icon or the clip icon, and then you will need just to choose a video or an image that you want to send. You can either use the camera or from your gallery. And then in the editing option or where you will need to add your caption, you will have this icon that will be showing. So here we will see an example. So whenever you are choosing either a camera or attach a file, at the end, when you are going to send a caption, you will have this view once option. And this view once will allow the user or the recipient to only see this media once, and by seeing it and quitting the image, they will have it disappeared and then they won't be able to see it again. Also, you will be able to start adding action or caption within this image. And it is the same steps for the iOS too. That was only Android, and on the iOS you will be able to do the same. Either you can go to the camera or you can go to the plus icon that will allow you to attach files. Then you can choose either camera or photos. This will allow you to take you to the gallery, and this will allow you to create a new image or to take a new image or a video. And then it's the same process. You will need just to tap the view once option and then you send the image. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.